This is a matchup of shared engineering taken in two completely different directions. Toyota Motor Corporation developed both cars under a shared philosophy, a concept inspired by Shikinen Sengu, the Japanese tradition of rebuilding shrines periodically to transfer master craftsmanship to younger generations. While both sports cars share an ultra-rigid, lightweight all-aluminum space-frame chassis, their beating hearts cater to entirely different performance purists. Interior and cockpit design. While both supercars share a common chassis geometry, their cabin philosophies are fundamentally opposed. One is an unyielding, track-focused cockpit, while the other is an ultra-futuristic, tech-centric luxury cocoon. Toyota GR-GT, pure track ergonomics. Driver-centric layout, developed directly with professional racing drivers, the GR-GT cabin focuses entirely on visibility, body placement, and immediate control access. Seating. Carbon fiber Recaro podium CF bucket seats set extremely low to lower the driver's center of mass. Instrumentation and controls, features a dedicated TFT LCD racing meter with custom telemetry displays. Instead of screen-heavy menus, the center console relies on physical, oversized rotary knobs, toggle switches, and a tactile button layout engineered to be operated easily while wearing driving gloves. Aesthetics, exposed carbon fiber weaves, dense Alcantara wrapping, and lightweight aluminum trim give it a raw, endurance racer feel. Lexus LFA BEV, futuristic high-technology luxury. Discover immersion concept. Lexus approaches the interior as an immersive driver pod. It replaces the traditional round steering wheel with a yoke-style controller mapped to a steer-by-wire system. Simulated manual interface. Despite being an electric vehicle, the interior features a physical third pedal, clutch, and a gated manual shift lever on the center console. These send electronic inputs to simulate traditional gear shifts, complete with haptic kickback. Displays. A triple-screen wraparound digital cluster encases the yoke, displaying EV power telemetry, simulated RPM/gear bands, and dynamic lighting that shifts based on driving mode. Aesthetics. Premium leather, sustainable tech fabrics, ambient fiber optic lighting, and clean, floating surfaces that lean into Lexus's Takumi craftsmanship while feeling decades ahead. Key takeaways. Shared DNA, split personalities. Both cars share foundational geometry, a low center of gravity, extreme rigidity, and optimized aero. However, the Toyota GR-GT features a longer hood to house its twin-turbo V8, whereas the Lexus LFA BEV utilizes its tighter package for lower drag and hypercar proportions. The emotional dilemma. The original Lexus LFA was legendary specifically for its Yamaha-tuned, screaming V10 engine. Transitioning the LFA badge to a BEV is a bold gamble. Lexus is working on simulated manual gear shifting and tactile sound feedback to retain driver engagement. Track pure breed versus tech showcase. The Toyota GR-GT/GT3 is built from the ground up for endurance racing, WEC, IMSA. The Lexus LFA BEV serves as Toyota's flagship halo for future electric performance, testing advanced battery packaging and high-output electric drive systems. Architecture and structural packaging. Toyota GR-GT/GR-GT3, engineered around a front mid-engine, rear transaxle layout. Power flows from the front-mounted V8 back to a rear-mounted 8-speed automatic transaxle via a carbon fiber reinforced polymer, CFRP, torque tube. This places heavy mechanical items low and inward, securing a 45:55 front-to-rear weight balance. Lexus LFA BEV replaces the engine bay and torque tube with battery packaging and compact electric drive units. With no massive mechanical transmission or exhaust routing needed, engineers achieved an even lower center of gravity and a lower hood line, optimizing driver seating position and front aerodynamic efficiency. Powertrain and mechanical engineering. Toyota GR-GT, mechanical pure breed. Engine, brand new 4.0-liter dry-sump twin-turbo V8 configured in a hot V arrangement, turbos tucked inside the engine banks, for instantaneous throttle response. Hybrid assist, a single electric motor integrated directly into the 8-speed transaxle fills torque dips during gear changes and low RPM acceleration. Output, targets roughly 641, 650 plus HP and 627 plus lb-ft of torque, hitting a top speed over 199 miles per hour, 320 km/h. Lexus LFA BEV, Electrified performance halo. Motors, targeted dual-motor or tri-motor layout delivering all-wheel drive torque vectoring. Output target, anticipated 900 plus HP with instantaneous, non-linear torque delivery. Acceleration, targeted 0 to 60 miles per hour in the 2.0 second range, leveraging instant electric launch control without traction loss. Tactile feedback and driver engagement. The GR-GT approach prioritizes mechanical feel. Shifts are executed through a wet start clutch 8-speed box. The dry sump V8 revs freely, giving the driver genuine combustion acoustics, gear shift thuds, and track-focused feedback. The LFA BEV approach uses software to replicate analog thrill. Lexus is equipping the car with a simulated manual transmission complete with a physical clutch pedal, gear shifter, and tactile torque interrupts. Coupled with steer-by-wire technology and synthesized interior acoustics, it tricks the brain into feeling mechanical gear changes without actual gears. Intended mission: Toyota GR-GT, built from the racetrack back to the street. Toyota Gazoo Racing engineered the GR-GT3 competition car first to race in WEC and IMSA, then detuned it into the GR-GT road car to satisfy homologation rules. Lexus LFA BEV, built to prove that battery electric vehicles can evoke the emotional passion of a supercar halo. It acts as a laboratory for Lexus's next-generation solid-state battery tech, high RPM electric motors, and software-driven dynamics. Price and market positioning. Both models sit at the absolute pinnacle of Toyota Motor Corporation's lineup, but their distinct propulsion systems and target buyers reflect different pricing brackets. The Toyota GR-GT estimated base MSRP $300,000, $350,000 and the Lexus LFA BEV estimated base MSRP $500,000 plus. Pricing breakdown and justification. Toyota GR-GT, $300K plus positioned similarly to high-end GT3 road legal homologation specials. The price tag accounts for the bespoke 4.0L hot VV8, carbon torque tube, all-aluminum chassis, and race-bred suspension components. Lexus LFA BEV, $500K plus aligns closely with the original 2012 LFA's inflation-adjusted pricing, $375,000 at launch. The premium over the GR-GT covers cutting-edge solid-state battery technology, high-output multi-motor electric drive units, steer-by-wire, and complex software-defined manual drive systems.